are technical geniuses, and here's why Gen X are technical geniuses.
Okay.
We were the
Technical
first,
geniuses.
literally, to use modern computers. We're the first generation to start off with, using typewriters and calculators, and went right to the digital age, right to using computers. And I remember in class, high school, taking typing and taking the beginning of the computer class.
Oh yeah. And
After
and you
college,
know
I
what?
would
Like I don't even know whether the new generation would know what a typewriter is. They
probably not. Probably
They'd
not.
look at that
Probably not.
like, "Oh, what am I supposed to do with that?"
Yeah, that's what
Or a
they probably
fax
do.
machine.
And I
Or
went from the high.
welcome. You've got mail. I'm sorry, I just had a flashback. I'm
Okay.
sorry, the full moon affects me. This is how it affects me. It makes me sound like a old school modem.